दोस्तों विटामिन जो है हमारे शरीर में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है और ये जो टॉपिक है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, इसके बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ। जो विटामिन्स है क्या? विटामिन्स आर कंपाउंड ऑफ कार्बन डेट इज एसेंशियल फॉर द नॉर्मल वर्किंग ऑफ द बॉडी इन आवर डेली लाइफ। हमारे शरीर में वर्किंग करने के लिए जो विटामिन है ये हमको चाहिए। अभी टोटल 13 विटामिन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड इन आवर बॉडी। हमारे शरीर में 13 विटामिन्स की ज़रूरत है जो हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में काम आते हैं। अभी जो विटामिन्स है ये जो 13 विटामिन्स में दो ग्रुप में भाग किया है, एक है फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स और दूसरा है वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स। नंबर 1 फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स, विटामिन ए डी ई एन के। ये जो फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स है ये फैट के अंदर डिजोल्व होता है। हमारे शरीर के अंदर फैट होता है। अब जब हम ये विटामिन ए डी ई एन के लेता है तो वहाँ पे ये डिजोल्व होता है। और दूसरा है वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन जो पानी में डिजोल्व होता है, विटामिन बी एंड विटामिन सी। एज फॉर एग्जांपल जब हम नींबू जूस पीते हैं तो हम पानी में डिजोल्व करके चीनी के साथ पीते हैं, तो ये है वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स। So dear friends, I will explain the fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins into their serial number, name of the vitamins, chemical name and which type of food we found. So number 1, vitamin A, the chemical name is retinol, especially we found in cod liver oil, milk, eggs, dairy products and carrot. Number 2, vitamin D, it is also known to be called as chemically argocalciferol, calciferol D2, cholecalciferol D3. It is specially found in cheese, butter, milk, fish liver oil and sunlight. Number 3, vitamin E, it is also known to be called as chemically tocopherol. It is specially found in wheat, vegetable oil, butter, milk, whole grains, corn, nuts and green vegetables. Number 4, vitamin K, it is also known to be called as chemically phyloquinone. It is specially found in cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, cereals and soybean. These all vitamins A, D, E and K are known to be called as fat soluble vitamins. Now water soluble vitamins are especially vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B are also subdivided into some forms or which are also known to be called as B complex. Vitamin B are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12 and lastly vitamin C. So let us know about the vitamin B and its divisions. Number 5, vitamin B1, it is also known to be called as chemically thiamine, especially we found in seafood, yeast, beans, nuts and meat and also in peas. Number 6, vitamin B2, chemically इसको बोला जाता है riboflavin. It is found in yeast, egg, peas, meat and mushrooms. Number 7, vitamin B3, it is chemically called niacin. It is found in cereals, tomato, potatoes, meat and fish. Number 8, vitamin B5, it is also called chemically pantothenic acid. It is found in meat, cereal, grains, egg and milk. Number 9, vitamin B6, it is also chemically called pyridoxine. It is found in pork, fish, milk, soybean, egg and mutton. Number 10, vitamin B7, it is also chemically called biotin. It is found in vegetables, cereals, nuts and yeast. Number 11, vitamin B9, it is chemically called folic acid. It is found in seafood, dark green leafy vegetables, beans, sunflower seeds. And number 12, vitamin B12, it is called cobalamin. It is specially found in fish, egg, milk and meat. And lastly number 13, vitamin C, it is also called chemically ascorbic acid. It is specially found in citrus fruit like tomatoes, amla, lemon, grapes, etc.